Today we're here with Steve Holt, Senior Director Government Affairs of PointClickCare, and also Bill Charnetski, EVP, Health System Solutions and Government Affairs of PointClickCare. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having us.
So, Bill, how is PointClickCare more than a data partner to the AHCA NCAL member facilities?
We really like to think that we're partners in a broad relationship with our customers. We're very customer-centric, customer-focused, which sounds like a platitude, but we really are. And one component of that is our work on government affairs, policy shaping, working with the associations as well as the member companies on issues that are very important to them, and finding ways that we can help shape policy with agencies and with elected officials to improve the businesses of our member companies and help them be successful in that way.
And one of those pieces is definitely technology. Steve, why is more technology funding needed in long-term care?
Yeah, it's really twofold, and it starts on the government priority side, and they're really focused on interoperability, having the data follow the patient. And obviously with the long-term care setting, that's a critical place to have the information follow the patient. And then when you think about our partners, our clients, affording them the technology and the opportunity to get that in their communities only incentivizes and makes it better for them when it relates to staffing, the quality, and all of those metrics that we're all well aware of in terms of the problems we're trying to address.
Absolutely. Tracking and metrics, so critical these days. How does PointClickCare focus on educating the government around better care pathways?
Well, so I think as members will really appreciate, I'll say that perhaps our policymakers, whether they're elected or unelected, perhaps don't understand the LTPAC sector in the way that they could, and probably the way that they want to. So often it will be seen as kind of like the acute care environment, but just a little bit different. And that makes difficult for them to achieve the regulatory objectives and increases the burden on our member companies when they're already overburdened. So we think that our role with elected officials and agencies like CMS and ONC is to help them better understand the sector, help them better understand the value that our company with data and data insights from our customers can how that can help make them better regulators, if you will, and ultimately focus on things that matter to the regulators while not further unduly burdening the already overburdened staff with our member companies. So we think that's our process, and of course we focus on technology. There's very capable folks like AHCA that talk about the broader issues. We participate in that conversation, but we really focus on, as Steve said, how technology can make companies and regulators better able to do their jobs.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that education piece is so critical, especially with everyone here at Congressional Briefing as we really try to elevate the relationships with all the officials. Well, thank you very much for spending some time with us today.
Thank you.